Hey, Texas Values friends, Jonathan Saenz here, president and attorney for Texas Values. You may be headed back to school, your kids may be, maybe you're an employee, maybe you're a family member, but really across the state of Texas, kids are headed back to school and you need to know your rights. And so we got a great blog post set up. I've even got my trusty number 2 pencil here sharpened, but check out txvalues.org. We've got an extensive, detailed article that talks all about the rights that you have as a parent, the rights that students have, and covers some of the new laws that have been in existence. Some of those laws include House Bill 900. This makes it clear that we're not going to have these sexually explicit books in public school libraries, so you need to know about that as a parent. That way, if you run into one of these issues at your public school, you can do something about it. We've got some great detail on that. Also, Senate Bill 12, which makes it clear you can't have sexual performances in front of kids on government public property. That includes drag queen events and others. We got some good detail about that. And look, don't worry that there's been lawsuits on this. The courts have not made any rulings just because somebody filed a lawsuit challenging these laws. They're going to go into effect September 1. We've also got great coverage on what difference did the Coach Kennedy case, the public school employee, the coach that took a knee at the 50-yard line. Those football games are coming up. You're going to want to know what your rights are on that. In God We Trust, being displayed in public schools, much more protected than even it was 2 years ago. You want to take a look at that. School chaplains are allowed now in public school. They're not required, but they're allowed if that's something that you want to do, and make your school aware of that. And then you get into the issue of college, right? Save women's sports. That issue covers college, but we also had K through 12 protection before. You can't have boys or men competing in women's or girls' sports. And so a lot that's covered there, including what we're going to do when we get down to Christmas season. txvalues.org. Go to our blog post right now. Find out what your rights are as we go back to school.